Well, here I am. I'm going to put some new posts on some hoop earrings. So there's the earring. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up a post, putting heavier posts on. So I have that now. So I have my post. I'm going to reach over and I'm going to grab some solder. And this is 14 karat yellow gold easy solder. These are very lightweight posts. So this was some Flux. On the post. So here I am going to solder this on here. There it is. There's the first one. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. Put this on here. Grab the post. Got it on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some solder. Okay, I've got some solder. Going to put some Flux on there. And now I'm going to quiet my torch down a little bit. And I'm getting ready to solder the second one in place. There's the second one. So now I have taken both of them and I've put the posts on. Any adjustments to the posts I can do after they've gone through the acid. So they are. You can see exactly how lightweight they are, how easily they flex. No problem holding them in the clamp at all.